guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new unboxing from Purlisse. So if you would like to see what they sent me, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So I got this box from Purlisse and I had no idea what they sent me. So we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show it to you. So it looks like we have 3 new moisturizers. I can't tell you how excited I am for this because this has been my favorite for so long. I fell in love with this a few years ago and I love this moisturizer. So I'm really excited to try their new moisturizers. So let's read about it. Let's get glowing. Get ready for a boost of radiance with 3 new everyday moisturizers infused with fruity and refreshing Asian botanicals, suitable for all skin types, even sensitive. We have a dragon fruit and niacinamide moisturizer. We have a kale and vitamin K moisturizer, and then we have a Yuzu orange moisturizer. I'm particularly excited for the dragon fruit, but I'm going to hold it up and read it to you. Dragon fruit and niacinamide moisturizer, a replenishing moisturizer that strengthens and improves natural barriers to the skin. Key ingredient and benefits: dragon fruit, a natural moisturizer that fights free radicals and promotes radiant skin. Niacinamide strengthens skin lipid barrier and improves skin texture. $35 for a 1.7 fluid ounce. So let's open this. Dragon fruit niacinamide moisturizer. This is the one I'm going to use today, but we're going to go through all 3 of them. Let me see if it has a smell. I can't really smell if it does or not because I'm kind of sick right now, so I don't know if it has one or not. And then the next one is the Kale Vitamin K Moisturizer, a healing moisturizer packed with antioxidants to protect and calm from daily skin stressors. Key ingredients and benefits: kale, rich with phytonutrients to gently detox and protect the skin's vitamin K, an antioxidant that has healing properties. $35 for 1.7 fluid ounces. Let's open this one. Here's what this one looks like. I can smell. I haven't lost taste or smell. I'm just very sick. My doctor put me on a new diabetes medicine, and you inject it once a week, and it has some pretty bad side effects. So this is the first day I've been able to actually sit up. So I thought I would get back here because these boxes are piling up. So the next one is Yuzu plus Orange Moisturizer, a brightening moisturizer that infuses skin with vitamin C and boosts your natural glow. Key ingredients and benefits. Yuzu boosts the production of collagen to firm skin and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C brightens skin, natural glow. Glycolic acid restores skin by removing dead skin cells. $35. I think I've changed my mind. I want to use this one. If it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, I am for her. And she brightens. So this is the bottle, same size. So I'm going to use this. This is the consistency. And one of my fingernails is unpainted. I got Gorilla Glue on it last week and I had to take it off. And I haven't been able to repaint it. I've been too sick. Laying in the bed, laying on the couch, just sick as a dog. This does have a smell to it. I can smell the vitamin C. The orange. It's not real strong, it's faint, but you can smell it. I'm gonna take some down my neck. All of our skincare needs to go down our neck, guys. Especially right in here. Put a little bit right there under my necklaces. I can't even believe I'm sitting up. I've been that sick. But I knew I had to get back here and do something. This is very nice. Listen, guys, Purlisse is a great brand to support. And I do have a code with Purlisse. It is BelindaMua. And I will leave their link down in the description box. That's where all of my links are. If you can never find the link that you're looking for, click on the link tree in my description because I always put that there. And then the Purlisse, the Yuzu, the Gerard, all of the ones that I'm affiliated with, you'll find it there. But I will put this, put their link down in the description. But I'm very excited about this. I have not been getting tired of the Blue Lotus moisturizer. It's that good. Everything that Purlisse has is that good. And I think they need to be talked about more. Also, Yuzu Beauty needs to be talked about more. They need to be talked about more. They have wonderful products that have natural things in them. So Yuzu and Purlisse are kind of one of two companies, but they're together. But both of these brands need to be talked about. And if you have not tried anything from Purlisse, I can guarantee you will love the moisturizers. You'll just have to find which one that you like. All three of these sound really good. The Dragon, I'm going to use them all. But I was really wanting to use the Dragon Fruit one at first, but then I saw that this one helps with fine lines. So I'll be using this one in here, and I'll be using, I'll take one of these to my bathroom to use at night in my nightly skincare when I get back to it, because I haven't been able to barely take a shower. That's how sick I've been. But y'all send up prayers for me. This is 4 days. This is 4 days since I took the shot, and this is the first day I've been able to sit up. So please say prayers for me. I don't know if I'm gonna take the shot next week. I'm
done making noise.
Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna take the shot next week. You know, if today's the last day of me feeling like this, then I probably won't have any more side effects. It says it takes 3 days up to a week to get through the side effects. And I took the shot without even looking at the side effects. So, dumbass. Anyway, that's Belinda for you. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing from Purlisse. I just want to say thank you so very much to Purlisse for sending me all 3 of these new moisturizers. I know that I'm going to enjoy them. Guys, hop on the train, get you some Purlisse. If you need any recommendations, please let me know. I have tried many things, and their hand sanitizer spray, oh dear Lord, I use it all the time. I keep it in my purse. It is amazing. It does not dry my hands out. You know, in this season, we're going to be hit with the flu and something else, and you know, it's best to keep hand sanitizer on you at all times. But this hand sanitizer, it has a wonderful scent to it. It's a light mist, and I just soak my hands in it and then rub them together in between the fingers, and my hands are clean. I love it. But I did do an unboxing with that here on my channel. I will link that video in the description also. I love that hand sanitizer so much. Thank you so much, Purlisse. I can't thank you enough for the things that you send to me. I love you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman from the South, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.